Welcome, dear students. Standard 4th, subject EVS 2, and today's topic is lesson number 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Students, today I am going to give you a short introduction about Shivaji. Shivaji was one of the bravest, most progressive, and sensible ruler of India. Shivaji was the first to realize the importance of having a naval force, and therefore he established a navy and forts at the coastline to defeat the Konkan side of Maharashtra. Students, today we are going to study about Shivaji Maharaj. Now students, who was Shivaji Maharaj? Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. Reverence means honor. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and pavadas in his honor. Now what is the meaning of pavadas? Pavadas means Marathi poems. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Let's see now. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Medieval period means the Middle Age. In those days, monarchy or the rule of the kings prevailed everywhere. Monarchy means rule of kings. Okay, students? Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. Now here subjects means people. But even in those days there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Students, benevolent means kind-hearted. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves, but they were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. Oppressed means they treated harshly with the people. Like most rulers of the medieval period, Nizam Shah and Adil Shah did not care about the welfare of the people. They were constantly at war with each other. The people suffered and they were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship the gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagirs and not their country. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought the book The Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all caste and religion. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful efforts of establishing Swaraj. I hope you all have understood this lesson. We shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. Thank you.